The energy landscape in Nigeria has long been dependent on fossil fuels, primarily oil and gas, for its energy needs. While being a major oil-producing nation, a significant portion of its population still lacks access to reliable electricity. Frequent power outages and an inadequate grid have hampered economic activities, particularly in the commercial and industrial sectors. Recognizing the need for a sustainable energy future, Nigeria has been actively exploring alternative power sources. The focus has shifted towards renewables, including solar and hydropower, as the country seeks to diversify its energy mix and reduce its carbon footprint. This was the focus at the 2024 Nigeria International Energy Summit. techtvng was there to cover it.
We are Solarco Services Nigeria. We are two companies also, Electrosun and SolarTech. We are specialized in solar power business. We have our team, we do execution, we do design, and we are official distributor for Day brand, for Longi solar panel, for Eneroid lithium battery, and for Dynas lithium battery. We usually focus on mega scale project. We know that renewable energy is the future, solar is the future. Nigeria is a very good company. We have sun all the time, usually all the time. We have a problem in electricity. We have the solution. We have the problem and we have the solution. So we are focusing on taking this domain, this business, we have to take it to the maximum level. We, as Solarco Services, as Electrosun, as SolarTech, we aim to be one of the top company in this business in this country. One can put a strategy for solar business. The banks can do facilities for the client in a way that all people can buy solar, because now not all the people have the purchase power to buy solar and to buy the good quality solar panel, because there is a lot of bad quality solar panel, bad quality inverter. There should be some kind of explanation to the people know about solar, know that solar can run an elevator, know that solar can run a factory, know that solar can give any state the power. Solar is not a secondary power source, it's the primary power source that could be.
So Blue Carbon is one of the biggest manufacturers of solar products, solar system generally. So we manufacture solar inverters, solar panels, lithium batteries, and solar street lights. So as far as street light range from the floodlights, all-in-one street lights, we have 100 watts, 80 watts, 60 watts, 25 watts in different range. We also have other home systems like this. So generally we are into everything solar. So I believe it's the way forward actually, considering because of band A and all this, the increase in this, in the fuel price and everything. So I think the way forward then is alternative energy. Well, I think if they reduce or cut off the taxes, import taxes on it, it will go a long way.
So government is trying to initiate and doing wonderful job in Nigeria, because in the end they want to make all homes of Nigerian lightening up again with a ray of hope and positivity in their day-to-day routine life. And yes, we are there supporting government as well to a lot of initiative, like somewhere Rural Electrification Commission, they are coming up and they are tying up with World Banks and IMF to fund the power distribution units. So it is a gradual process and all are positive to achieve at some point.
Over 35 years, our main priority building our name in Nigeria was reliability. Reliability and quality. If you go across any of our products, and we have a huge product portfolio from all of our electrical components to our diesel generators to our gas generators, we have a huge portfolio which all represent quality and reliability. What government can do, government can incentivize and help us. At the end of the day, government is already pushing forward this matter with the presidential CNG initiative, which is a huge jump for everyone in the gas industry. We are being prioritized, and we really do believe that within the next decade, we will be one of the leaders in the gas industry in Nigeria. Most of the country should be running on gas, from vehicles to power plants to commercial industries to private, everything.
Renewable energy has emerged as a key player in Nigeria's quest for sustainable power. The country, located close to the equator, boasts abundant sunlight throughout the year, making it an ideal candidate for solar power generation. The government has initiated various projects to harness solar energy, both for grid-connected and off-grid applications. The conventional power grid in Nigeria has been notoriously unreliable, with frequent blackouts and disruptions. Renewable energy systems, however, offer a more stable and reliable source of power.
Solar energy is the next phase out, is the next way forward. Because at the time, the energy supply in Nigeria cannot go round. It can't go round. Check every building, you see them using solar. You understand? So it has the next way, that's the next direction in energy.
It will be a very great solution. It can solve 80% of the headache of energy, at least for now.
I think the government has to look for more efficient products where they invest in the right products which has a better efficiency and a long-term vision, so that it has, it serves the Nigerian country as a cost at the same time with the environment also.
I think so, but it still have to take a long way because the population here too much, and maybe the average salary, some low-income people, they cannot afford the whole system now. But the battery and also the inverter and the market too much competitive, I think this issue will be solved very soon. I think they need to give some support policy, and also maybe give some support to the low-income people, let them enjoy the power from the solar.
Yes, that's a very good thing, because in most of the countries that we have visited, their government supports renewable energy. And because renewable energy is something that everybody needs. It won't be health, it doesn't have any health hazard. You see how generator is being polluted everywhere. So renewable energy is a natural something. Government can really support. They can start with their tax, import duties. They can reduce the import duties for these batteries and inverters and the panels. At the end of the day, you see that everybody came to the system. So that's a major thing that government can do in order to help the manufacturing company. Let me tell you one thing. If China's people are bringing the solar here, their prices remain the same. Year in, year out, they remain the same dollar. Maybe if it is $500, it's $500. But once you come into Nigeria, because of our fluctuation of dollar and everything, our phone price keep on changing. So government can stabilize it by helping out, especially people that are in the solar industry.
Frankly speaking, the government has tried in various forms to initiate various policies and initiatives that support the growth of renewable energy. The essence of it on the government side is to reduce the amount of carbon elements in the atmosphere. In terms of what is going on with climate change, the government is really pushing towards that, achieving substantial reduction in greenhouse components by 2030. And also we have projects that actually aim to push the drive of electricity, that is providing electricity in underserved and unserved areas across Nigeria, which the government is very strong in collaborations with entities such as the African Development Bank and the World Bank. So the government is doing what it can, but of course there's always more avenue for the government to do more and continue to push and provide support to this budding industry as it stands.
Government is trying. We commend the efforts of the current minister. The minister is doing quite a lot. So what we need to do is to push in more funds into the energy sector, particularly the green energy, in terms of renewables and also distribution automation. If I'm going to give one advice to the minister, I'm going to tell them Nigeria needs to be on automation. Distribution system, the discos, they need to invest in a SCADA, working functional SCADA systems. And we also need a lot of renewable input, pushings on our grid. We have like a single grid in Nigeria now, but we need a lot of renewable to push energy into the grids. And also, we need to also go to the level of homes, different homes, selling if we go now and measure the energy being generated by different homes in Nigeria, when they are not at home, the solar panels they invested in on their roof, the energy is just wasting. People like you and I can also push in the energy we are generating in our homes into the grid. And at the end of the month, they net it out. You push in 5 kilowatts, you consume 6 kilowatts, and you only pay for 1 kilowatt. So that's another way that both government and people can benefit from the green energy or renewable energy revolution.
Indeed, the renewable energy sector is a catalyst for job creation. And as Nigeria invests in solar projects, it opens up opportunities for skilled and unskilled labour. Moreover, the growth of the renewable energy industry contributes to economic diversification, reducing the country's dependence on oil revenue and fostering a more resilient economy. While the benefits of transitioning to renewables are clear, challenges remain, and one of such challenges is the upfront cost of installing renewable energy infrastructure. To address this, businesses can explore financing options such as government-backed incentives, grants, or partnerships with renewable energy providers.
Hi, my name is Amar Shagi. I'm the country sales head for Meccano International. For all your tech information, please go to Tech TV.